The connection between you and any business is knowledge. Hello and good day mga ka-business. Welcome back to our class. I am Sir Dinky, your guide in exploring the world of business. Prepare your paper and pen as we embark to learn and enjoy our topics for this subject. Hello, grade 11 and 12 learners. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to differentiate the markup from margins and compute single trade discounts in discount series. If you are ready for our lesson, let's have a short activity. Don't forget to open your learning activity sheets and proceed to the Let's Try part. Read each question carefully. Choose the correct answer from the question by writing the letter in the space before each number.
What do you call the difference between the seller's cost for acquiring products and the selling price? Letter A, cost of the raw materials. Letter B, margin. Letter C, markup. Letter D, markdown. The answer is letter B, margin. Number 2. What is commonly known as one-off discounts that a business offers to customers or clients when their purchases meet a specific condition that would trigger that discount? Letter A, cost of the raw materials. Letter B, single trade discount. Letter C, discount series. Or letter D, markdown. The answer is letter B, single trade discount. Number 3. Which of the following refers to a discount that is offered based on a number of different conditions? Letter A, cost of the raw materials. Letter B, single trade discount. Letter C, discount series. And letter D, markdown. Correct answer is letter C, discount series. Number 4. What is the formula for solving the markup rate? Letter A, markup rate is equal to gross profit divided by cost price. Letter B, markup rate is equal to gross profit divided by selling price. Letter C, markup rate is equal to cost price plus gross profit. And letter D, none of the above. The correct answer is letter A, markup rate is equal to gross profit divided by cost price. Number 5. The cost of furniture is 3,999 pesos, operating expense is 30%, and the profit for the said furniture is 25%. Compute for the markup price. Letter A, 1,299.68 pesos. Letter B, 2,199.45 pesos. Letter C, 133.30 pesos. And letter D, 999.75 pesos. correct answer is letter B, 2,199.45 pesos.
What is your score? Did you get the perfect score? If yes, good job. If no, don't worry. We will deepen your understanding so you can get a higher score at the end of this episode. As a businessman and a buyer, have you ever asked yourself, what are the indicators and things that a business have to consider in aiming a healthy net profit? The answer is markup and margin. Yes, these two factors have a significant role in business if you want to gain income and a strong operating profit margin.
The table represents the comparison between margin and markup. And in the first column, it all states about the basis for the different comparison. Let us start with the definition. Definition: margin is technically a profit margin, also known as gross margin, measures the profitability of a firm. It is the proportion of the income that has been left over in the business after the cost of production has been paid out from revenues. In the markup, it refers to the value added by the seller to the cost price that covers its production cost and profits in order to arrive at the price that a finished product that can be sold at. Another one, the basis. What is it? For margin, it is a percentage of the selling price. Numerically, it is a cost multiplier. Defined as function of. In margin, it is in sales, and in markup, is it in cost. Basis expressed from the perspective of. In margin, seller. In markup, buyer. Basis for mathematical formula. In margin, close and open parentheses, selling price minus cost price divided by the selling price. In markup, close and open parentheses, multiply first selling price minus cost price divided by the cost price. Basis for significance. Gross profit margin is generally important because it is the starting point toward achieving a healthy net profit. When you have a high gross profit margin, you are in a better position to have a strong operating profit margin and strong net income. For markup, for entrepreneurs in the process of starting a business, establishing markup is one of the most important parts of pricing strategy. Markups must be sizable enough to cover all anticipated business expense and reductions, markdowns, stock shortage, employee and customer discounts, and still provide the business with a good profit. Let us proceed to another lesson. Suppose Mr. Alberto buys a bicycle worth 5,000 pesos and sells the bicycle for 7,000 pesos. To cover his expenses and profit, his markup rate based on his computation is 40%. To get the markup rate based on computation, given the profit is 2,000 pesos, the actual cost is 5,000 pesos, is equal to 0.4 or 40%. Note, 40% of the 5,000 is the actual cost, is the markup rate. Markup is the profit shown as the percentage of the cost priced. Margin computation. Given, profit is 2,000 pesos, the selling price is 7,000 pesos, is equal to 0.2857 or 28.57%. Note, the margin rate is the difference between the retail price and the net selling price or profit. Margin is the profit shown as the percentage of the selling price.
To fully engage ourselves in this lesson, let us answer our Activity 2 in your learning activity sheets.
Activity 2. Directions. Provide each sentence your stand about the following message. Write fact if the message is true, bluff if the message is false on the space provided before the number. Number 1. Markup rate and margin rate have the same definition because they both are used in acquiring profit. Number 2. Margin gross profit is used for the purpose of evaluating if the product and services are still competitive in other competitors. Number 3. The use of markup rate and margin is the purpose of passing the business math subject. Number 4. The mathematical formula for margin is close and open parenthesis, selling price minus cost price divided by the cost price. Number 5. To find the markup rate, the cost must be equal to its selling price. The correct answer is very good.
Did you get the perfect score? If yes, very good. If not, you can still do our next activity. Please open your learning activity sheets because we will answer the activity 1 and let's do more part.
Activity 1. Directions. Put the appropriate word in the diagram below to differentiate markup and margin by selecting it in the table. Selling price, cost multiplier, sales, cost, seller, buyer, profit. The correct answer is very good.
Because we are done explaining all the information you need in the difference between markup and margin, let us proceed in synthesizing our first lesson.
Directions. Complete the paragraph below by writing the missing words. Choose your answer from the box. Markup rate, gross margin, profitability, price. Margin is technically a profit margin, also known as blank, measures the blank of a firm, while blank refers to the value added by a seller to the cost price that covers its production cost and profits in order to arrive at the blank that a finished product can be sold at. The answer is very good. Let us proceed to lesson 2. Consumers are always looking for ways to save money, and they prefer to buy from stores that offer the best deals. One thing you can do to attract more customers is always offer discounts on your products or services. Discounts are not only beneficial to your customers, they can also do great things for your business. Let us first define the single trade discount. Single trade discount is given by the retailer from the manufacturer or the wholesaler, meaning to say, this discount is a deduction of the price of the goods so that the retailer can compensate a net profit from its products. Single trade discount computation. Before calculating the discount, let us first define each term. Capital D stands for trade discount, which is given by the manufacturer to the retailer. Small d, rate of discount, which refers to deduction of price. Capital L, list price or manufacturer suggested retail price. The formula for single trade discount computation is the following. Example problem. A pair of shoes, this price is 1,000 pesos with a trade discount of 20%. What is the amount trade discount? Formula is trade discount is equal to rate times the list price is equal to 20% times 1,000 is equal to 200 pesos. That is the amount of trade discount. Another example, determine the list price of an item if a 10% discount in the item amounts to 25 pesos. The formula is list price is equal to capital D divided by small d is equal to 25 pesos divided by 0.10 is equal to 250 pesos. Calculate the rate of discount if the list price is 250 pesos and the amount of discount is 50 pesos. Formula is small d is equal to capital D divided by capital L. Given 50 pesos divided by 250 pesos, the rate of discount is 20%. Let us go now to the discount series. Discount series refers to multiple discount or chain discount. Discount series computation. Before calculating the discount, let us first define each term. D stands for trade discounts. D, small d, rate of discount, which refers to deduction of price. Capital L, list price or manufacturer suggested retail price. N, net price, is the last price of the product after a series of computation in which series discount is applied. First discount is first rate discount, second discount is second rate discount, and you can just continue to the third, fourth, and so on up to the next discount rate depending on the discount that has given. The formula for the net price, N, is equal to first discount multiplied by the first actual cost is equal to close and open parentheses to 1 minus second discount multiplied to the second cost. Note, in the discount series, we can't add the two or multiple discounts to have a single discount rate before multiplying to the principal amount because we will not get the correct answer. Series discount is meant to multiply the first discount to the first principal amount, then multiply to the second rate of discount to the next principal amount, so on and so forth to get the accurate answer. Discount series example. Suppose that TBC bookstore offers 15% discount on all items. Miss Denise buys a book worth 300 pesos, and since she is a senior citizen, she gets an additional 10% discount for the book she buys. How much is the net price of the book and the cost of total discount? Given, discount 1 is 15%, discount 2 is 10%, the actual cost of the book is 300 pesos. The formula given, net price is equal to close and open parenthesis 1 minus the first discount multiplied by the first actual cost is equal to close and open parenthesis 1 minus second discount multiplied to the second cost is equal to 1 minus 0.15 times 300 pesos is equal to 255 pesos. Then the another one is 1 minus 0.10 times 255 pesos. That would be 229.50 pesos net price. Or you can have the formula N is equal to 1 minus D1 close and open parenthesis also 1 minus the discount 2 times the list price is equal to close and open parenthesis 1 minus 0.15 close and open parenthesis 1 minus 10% times the list price is equal to 229.50 pesos. To compute for the rate of discount, the formula is D cost is equal to actual cost minus discount. From our previous example, 300 pesos minus 229.50 pesos is equal to 70.50 pesos. Let us have 70.50 divided by 300. The rate of discount will be 23.50%.
To fully engage ourselves in this lesson, let us answer our activity 2 in your learning activity sheets.
Activity. Directions. Determine and compute the discount and selling price by completing the table. First column is for the cost, second is the first discount, third is second discount, and the next column is the third discount. Then you'll find for the selling price. Problem number 1, 3,500 is the cost, first discount is 10%, second discount is 15%. Find for the selling price. Number 2, 60,000 pesos is the cost. First discount is 8%, second discount is 10%, third discount is 5%. Find for the selling price. Number 3, the cost is 1,200 pesos. The first discount is 5%, the second discount is 2.5%. The correct answer is very good.
Did you get the perfect score? If yes, very good. If not, you can still do our next activity. Please open your learning activity sheets because we will answer the activity 1 and let's do more part.
Activity 1. Directions. Answer each question by solving what is asked in the problem. Attach a separate sheet of paper that shows your solution. Number 1. A pair of shoes, list price is 1,200 pesos with a trade discount of 25%. What is the amount of trade discount? Number 2. Calculate the rate of discount if the list price is 300 pesos and the amount of discount is 45 pesos. Number 3. Determine the list price of an item if a 15% discount in the item amounts to 30 pesos. The answer is very good.
Now that we have already discussed our last topic for today, let us proceed in synthesizing our second lesson.
Directions. Complete the paragraph below by writing the missing words. Choose your answer from the box. Adding, discount series, multiply, 1, single trade discount, and multiply. In solving for the blank, you must separately blank the 2 or blank discount percentage to the actual cost of the product before blank the equivalent discounts, while single trade discount only consists of only blank discount. The answer is very good.
As we end our episode, we need to test your skills if we have really attained our learning objectives. Let us now have a short quiz. You can also use your learning activity sheets and join us in answering the Let's Assess part.
A pair of shoes cost 1,500 pesos with a trade discount of 25%. What is the amount of trade discount? A. 3,750 pesos. B. 60 pesos. Letter C. 375 pesos. And letter D. 16 pesos. The answer is letter C, 375 pesos. Number 2. How much is the price of an item if the 28% discount is 55 pesos? Letter A, 196.43 pesos. Letter B, 50.90 pesos. Letter C, 197 pesos. And letter D, 196 pesos. The answer is letter A, 196.43 pesos. Number 3. What is the rate of discount if the list price is 350 pesos and the amount of discount is 56 pesos? Letter A, 4.29%. Letter B, 16%. Letter C, 15%. And letter D, 7%. The correct answer is letter B, 16%. Number 4. Suppose that Sale Mall Puerto Princesa City offers 10% discount on all items. Mr. Valentin buys a gift for his wife worth 500 pesos. And since he has an SM Advantage card, he gets an additional 10% discount for the dress he buys. How much is the net price of the dress? A, 50 pesos. Letter B, 100 pesos. Letter C, 405 pesos. Letter D, 20 pesos. The correct answer is letter C, 405 pesos. Number 5. Refer to number 4. What is the cost of total discount? Letter A, 95 pesos. Letter B, 105 pesos. Letter C, 520 pesos. Letter D, 510 pesos. The correct answer is letter A.
Congratulations! You were able to finish the task in our lesson. If we have questions, you may review your lessons or you may ask the assistance of your teachers. Once again, I am Sir Bezardinki B. Cularina, your learning partner. See you in the next episode for another interesting and exciting topics in the world of business math here on Puerto Princesa Dream TV.